Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT with WhatsApp. To use ChatGPT with WhatsApp, first obtain the ChatGPT API access. To do that, open up your browser and navigate to ChatGPT API section. You can do this by searching for ChatGPT API and accessing it through the OpenAI platform. Then log into your OpenAI account or sign up if you don't have one. Now you will find two options. Click on the ChatGPT option. You can explore the various API options and you can also see examples of what OpenAI models can do. In examples, you'll find keyword, spreadsheet creator, explain code and emoji translation, keywords and many more. After that, you will see build an assistant. Choose the introduction or assistant deep dive. You can also explore the API options from here. Then choose the API reference option from the top bar. Now click on the API section and then select API keys. Create a new API key by clicking on the Create New API Key button. Keep your API key secure and never share it. To integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp, you need a platform that acts as a bridge between the ChatGPT API and WhatsApp. Two options are mentioned, Twilio and Dialogflow. Choose the one that suits your preferences and budget. So make sure to follow the platform's instructions to create a new bot. Connect the bot to your WhatsApp account and configure the necessary settings. Now set up and configure the ChatGPT API with the bot. Follow the quick start tutorial or examples provided by the ChatGPT API to get started. Authenticate with the ChatGPT API using the API key obtained earlier. Customize the conversation flow using the bot building platform and implement user's interface and interactions. Ensure to test your setup truthfully before making it live. Now launch and stay compliant. Once everything is set up and tested, launch your integrated system. Then stay compliant with user-focused interactions and make any necessary adjustment based on users' feedback. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated ChatGPT with WhatsApp, creating a powerful AI-driven conversation experience for users. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, like it, and share your comments or questions down below.